This painting is almost 400 years old, and at first glance, it shows exactly what you think it shows. Two lovers wrapped in each other on a palace terrace at the edge of a storm. But the artist who painted it, somewhere in Mughal India around 1630, was not painting a moment. He was writing a message, in vines, in wine, in bees, in a pair of missing shoes. Every single object on this terrace is saying the same thing in a different language. Stay with me, and you'll be able to read all of it. First, the scene itself. A marble terrace, a garden wall, an evening sky. This is the world of the Mughal court at its height, painted during the reign of Shah Jahan, the emperor who would build the Taj Mahal for love of his own wife. The couple are not named, and that is deliberate. These are not portraits. They are ideal lovers, the lovers of Persian and Indian poetry, placed in a garden that stands for paradise itself. He tilts her chin toward him. She holds the cup. An attendant stands by with a fan and looks away. Even she is part of the code. Her turned face tells you this moment is private, and you, the viewer, are seeing something you were never meant to see. Now look at the tree on the left, and the grapevine wrapped around it. The vine clings to the trunk exactly the way the lovers cling to each other. In Persian poetry, which every educated person at the Mughal court knew by heart, the vine and the tree were a standard image for an embrace. Two things grown so close they can no longer be separated. And the vine is heavy with grapes, because grapes mean wine. And there is the wine in a single cup, shared between two mouths. One cup, not two. In the poetry of the time, wine was intoxication of every kind, the pleasures of the garden and the dizziness of love itself. The painter even coils the patterns of the carpet and the great floor cushion, twining, interlacing, to echo the lovers' interlaced bodies. The whole composition is one embrace, repeated everywhere you look. Look up at the sky. In the corner, a storm is building. Dark monsoon clouds veined with gold lightning. In Indian poetry, the monsoon is not bad weather. It is the season of lovers. Whole cycles of verse, the Baramasa, the songs of the 12 months, return again and again to the same image. When the dark clouds gather and the thunder rolls, lovers run to each other. Separation becomes unbearable precisely when the rain begins. And across that sky, a swarm of bees streams toward the flowering canopy. Bees fly to blossoms as the rain approaches, the period's favorite metaphor for desire. The sky above this terrace is doing exactly what the couple below it is doing. The artist has painted the weather falling in love. Now the details almost nobody notices. The carpet they sit on is rendered so precisely it looks like enamel work. A field of flowers, a garden woven into a garden. A carpet like this was far too precious to be walked on, which is why, if you look closely, the lovers are barefoot. Their shoes are off. They have stepped out of the ordinary world entirely. And at the edge of the carpet sits a small covered box painted in gold. It holds paan, betel leaf, folded around aromatic spices, eaten to perfume the breath. At the Mughal court, paan was the currency of closeness, offered from an emperor's own box as the highest of honors. Here, it sits waiting beside the lovers, a quiet promise of the kiss to come. For nearly 4 centuries, this painting lived in albums, seen by a handful of eyes in a generation. We restored it from museum archives, recovering the jewel tones, the gold, the impossible detail of that carpet, and printed it as a framed archival print. Black, red oak, or white frame, 2 sizes, ready to hang. Free shipping. It's part of the Royal Portraits and Romance collection at aurahliving.com. The link is in the description. A vine, a cup, a storm, a pair of missing shoes. 400 years later, the message still reads perfectly. If you'd like more paintings decoded like this, subscribe. There's a new story every week.